In this video, we are going to make free IBM account to access Node-RED from the cloud. So we can access the Node-RED from anywhere with an internet connection. Go to cloud.ibm.com and create an account. Enter your email ID and password. In the next step, you need to verify your email ID. Check your email and enter the verification code. Hit next. Now enter your name and country. Click next. Now click on create account. It will take around 1 minute to set up your IBM account. Now your IBM account is set up and logged into IBM Cloud. So just scroll down and proceed. You will be redirected to IBM Cloud dashboard. On the dashboard you can see resources summary. Here all the resources, all the created resources will be listed. We will click on view all. So we can see the created resources. Right now we don't have any resources, so we will create one Node-RED service from the create resources section. Click on create resources and search for Node-RED. So you can see the Node-RED app at the first, which is a starter kit. So we will click on this and create a Node-RED app. Now go to create section and name your first app. Keep other option as a default. Change the region from Sydney to London. I selected Dallas by mistake. We'll change this in next step. Now just click on create. It will set up our Node-RED app. Now click on deploy your app. This will bring some options where we can set URL to access the Node-RED. In the IBM Cloud API key section, just click on new and press OK. It will auto generate and paste the key in the box. Now keep other option as a default. Don't change memory allocation per instant. It will be default to 56 MB. If you selected the region as a Dallas in previous step, just change here to the London. As I am changing to the London. If you previously selected London, then no need to change here. It will automatically select the London as a region. Give unique name to the host. This will become your URL to access the Node-RED from the cloud. Now click next. This will bring to the another configuration option. Just keep all the option as a default and click on create. Here the Cloudant database is by default enabled. In this database our Node-RED app will be hosted. No need to create another database, but I am creating DB2 for the storing my weather station data. You can skip this step and directly go to the IBM dashboard. On the dashboard you can see 6 or 7 services are active. Check all services, click on view all. This will bring a resources list where we can find our services. So the Node-RED service we can find on Cloud Foundry apps. Click on that. This will bring to the Node-RED service dashboard. As you can see, the service is not running right now. So click on actions and restart the service. This will take around 1 minute to 1.5 minute to be restart. As you can see, now the Node-RED service is running. Now you can visit the app URL by clicking visit app URL. So this URL will bring you to the flow editor of Node-RED. Now need to set up the flow editor by providing username, a unique username and the password. This will be different from your IBM account. You can choose a different username and a different password for the Node-RED. Now log into your Node-RED using the username and password which you just created for the Node-RED. So now you have a cloud Node-RED setup. You can create and edit flows here directly without any local system. Let's quickly create a simple flow which will inject timestamp to the debug node. Let's install some dashboard palettes. Go to setting. In the setting you can find manage palette. Click on that, then search for dashboard and install the dashboard element palettes. These dashboard elements will be used to create beautiful dashboard for our IoT projects. Let's create a simple dashboard using a dashboard element we just installed. As you can see, we can create amazing interactive dashboard using this Node-RED. So do let me know if you want detailed video on this, so I can make the video tutorial for especially for the dashboard part. So in the next part we will create Internet of Things platform of the IBM, and we will connect this service with the Node-RED to access the MQTT and the device management of the IBM IoT platform.